All right, we're live. 30 seconds. Cool. Twitch is working. For better or for worse, right? Okay, so hopefully you could all hear me. That is another important thing. But there's nobody in here, so we won't find out until later. Alright, so what are we planning on doing here? I closed all those tabs and I didn't have to. That's great. Anyways, moving on. Yeah. So what we're planning on doing here is we are going to first off attempt. I'm going to be you're going to be learning with me. But the main thing here will be we're going to try to get into some of these issues, kind of try to suss out what the issue is, and then create a reproduction of that issue, or attempt to create a reproduction of that issue, or show that the issue is no longer there in the latest version, right? So all the reproductions should be happening in probably Canary, like whatever their beta is. That will be ideal. So we have a viewer. Hello, viewer. Also, it's probably on Twitch, which I probably should be on there myself, which is what I'm going to do next. Twitch wants to do a call for content. I'm not big enough for that. Oh, it's Roy. Hey, Roy. Let's see. Is there like an admin on the mobile? Nope. Alright, we're not doing that right now. So, back to this. First things first is I got to think about like where I'm going to create these repros. I probably want, like, I'd love to use my own tools and everything locally, but doing it in like something like StackBlitz or Code Sandbox or any of these like web-based development ecosystems would probably be better, just so that there's a link that the maintainers could just go to and see this stuff working or not working directly. So that's out of the way. I think I'll just go with, I don't know which one has better support for Next. Code Sandbox supported Zeet very early on. Maybe I should just go with like the one with history. Zeet, I don't know, whatever. Hey, Parasocial, welcome. Everybody's on Twitch. Appreciate the showing up. It says I only have one viewer. That's great. It's great. Gotta love technology. All right. So let's maybe start with something not too overwhelming. I haven't used Next in a while, so this is gonna be like a relearning situation. Let's see what this is. Type error. Concept properties undefined. Setting current. Template. Nice. Oh my God, there's code. I wish I could like highlight it. That would be nice, ma'am. Oh, look at that. Is it this? Is this the thing? It is. Nice. This is like a really easy. I can just copy and paste this code. I can try to reproduce this stuff. This is great. This person made a really good issue, by the way. This is brilliant. Let's see. I see the two latest Canary projects. Ah, somebody got here before me. Oh, Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Sophie's awesome. You know what? I'm gonna do this anyways. It's a good warm up. So let's go here. They use stacklets too. I feel like maybe I should use stacklets then. All right. I put it to a vote. There's only like one or two people in here. There's two. There's still two. I could be a vote breaker. All right. Oh, this is strange, man. I can turn it up. Does that sound better or worse? Robot Jacob. Crackling. Let me turn this down. Let me... All right. Yeah, so I cranked up my, let me just turn this up because it's gonna need to, yeah. I cranked up my like GPU AI AI GPU accelerated, noise canceling to 100%. So, a CPU resource issue? It better not be. I mean, it's still really good AMD 6 core. It's gotta be RAM. I am running Chrome. Well, if anything, I cranked up my noise canceling. So, if anything, like it might have been picking up something around my desk, like my mouse or the fans on my computer, and now it's not. But it's also like using like 20 or 30% of my GPU. All right, back to this. All right, so what was I getting at? Oh yeah. What do you think, fam? Stacklets or Code Sandbox? Stacky? Stackolich? Or sure? Oh man, that storm outside is getting pretty. No. I'm not using Replit, Roy. Don't do that to me. Don't. We're not. No. I'm all about what's hot. Chaos over. Why would you even say that? That's not. First off, that's not fair. I feel it's kind of slow. All right. Stackless is for people who like to follow the rules and be boring. Well, welcome aboard, Valhalar. So let's go with Stacklets. Thank you, Roy. Thank you for not continuing whatever that was that you were doing. Appreciate that. All right, so let's take this to Stacklets then. Stacklets. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. There's a template right off the bat. Done. Done and done. All right, we gonna go home. I retired. Let's see what we got here. Your audio is dying. I don't know what's causing it. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in. Hold on. There we go. So no, we didn't. No, nobody lost me. Don't tell people that. I'm fine. I'm here. I'm medicated. I unplugged the headphones that I'm not using. Though I don't think that should work. I mean, should do anything. Like they weren't being used though, so it never hurts. And I unplugged it. What is the secret of Next.js? The secret is it's really great. I think it's when your computer is busy. No, it's anytime I open up Chrome, it seems, and like the RAM usage goes through the roof. Yeah, keep it on the DL. We don't want a bunch of people getting like super like interested in Next.js, and then like their parent company starts like hiring all the really good engineers and stuff. That would be really like that's not. We don't want to be in that situation. So just keep it on the DL. We'll just work in the shadows. Okay. Okay, so back in Chrome again. So if my audio starts going out, we know it's because of Chrome, and I don't know why that would cause it, except for the super hilarious constant. So does this work? If I like, what if I fork it? I want to change stuff. I'm not signed in. That's why I'm curious. Sign in with GitHub. All right, I guess I'll sign in. Nope, don't want to do that now. All right. Okay, so did I copy that code already? Come here. All right. Copy. So this is my server JS file. Looks like this. Cool. Oops. That's okay, parasocial. We all have our moments of being wrong. It's just life. It's life. I forgive you. All right, let's. Yeah, let's turn that into TypeScript then. I see the error. I see the problem already. I'm kidding. I should probably pull up the Twitch chat on my phone or something. Okay. Yes. 4 viewers. Wow, we're cooking. Uh-oh. All right. That was almost like a feedback loop. That would have been bad. All right, so we're just gonna put this. So I don't have a freaking thing to hold my phone up with. There we go. That amazing. Okay, we're back over here now. Okay, so that copy and pasting thing, they didn't. It doesn't seem like they actually. Right here. Global cannot be filed under. I wonder if there's like a Next.js TypeScript template. Oh no, this is TS config. Okay, so this should work. What are they missing then? What is this? What is the issue here? Import, export, empty, export. Can't be. Oh, this is not exporting anything. Okay. What is this complaint about? Declare. I don't care about that. being used there. That's not okay. So this is a template literal. Why did they miss this? What is the ternary? Read file sync. Okay, so this is. Oh, this is the. Okay, I see. I got you. I got you. Yeah. So this is this, that. Whole thing just a big old. Bruh. Okay, well, maybe I'll try putting it right in front of me. How's that sound? All right. I don't know if that's better. Um, it does seem to have issues. Like it seems consistently that the issue gets better if I come back to this browser because I'm running StreamYard on a different browser. So I'm wondering if it's just like eating all of the resources doing that. I don't need this open. I don't know. Oh yeah, Roy, I made you an editor so you should be able to add emojis into the channel now. You should also be able to like change titles and descriptions and all that kind of fun jazz as well. As a mod, you could technically do that as well, but now you can also do other stuff to the channel that mods can't do. But yeah, all right. I'm gonna go back to this one. Let's just assume this is this again. But use template literals. All right, formatted. Cool. Okay, so cannot. Okay. Try turning off noise suppression. Well, that never goes well. All right. All right, it's turned off. You're gonna hear every fan and clickety clack and everything. Oh, I shouldn't have unpaused. That was weird. All right. Missing my server file. What do I do? Didn't change much. All right. Well, I'm gonna turn it back on because it definitely does prevent a lot of background noise and stuff. All right. I'm telling you, it's Chrome. I'm telling you. I don't know what it is about Chrome. Oh, was I in what was it? Dungeons and Dragons. Must be confusing for some people. Let's look at this. I mean, let's look at this page. Layout, cool. That's a good repro. This is a really good repro. Where's the server at though? Ooh. Alright. So after true. Sweet server components. Add your relevant code here. And children. What's causing them then? It wasn't even that person's server file that was causing this, because there is no server file here. Return null? Is that what is happening? Return, I don't know. Div. Does that change it? No? Did it rerun? I don't know if it rerun. It did. It did. Alright, so that wasn't the null that did it. What causes? Fan of Firefox. I don't think changing browsers is gonna fix this. That's a cool feature. Alright, so just click around until something makes sense. That's how I do this. No. No. I guess it. So what does that syntax look like for the? It's like use client. Is that what it is? Oops. Look like this. Am I doing this right? Look, Ma, no handle. No hands. Is there a way to force this? So is there can I force to? Oh, here we are. Oh, hey, prettier format target. All right, so this is. I don't know if that's right. Oh no, blinding. Don't look directly at it. All right, look at that. What? Who did that? Oh my god. Oh, it is use client. I nailed that. All right. Oh, this is cool. I should probably read these. You almost forgot I was streaming. Sick. Oh, it's Lee Rob. uh, I know. I know. Actually, if I leave this browser, if I come back to this browser where the streaming stuff is actually happening, for some reason it seems to resolve itself. So I think it's something to do with Chrome or being in a different browser. I don't know. These docs are really nice, by the way. Yeah, I know it's better now. We've gone through this. I don't know what's happening. Like I changed I move over the browsers. Are you on a battery? What? Like my microphone? No, it's plugged in. It's a USB microphone. Yeah, it will come back. Like as soon as I move over. Here's a gremlin setup. You know, you're more than welcome to come fix it. Just come on. Anyway, come on over. A battery. Nick. Nick. Yes, because it's a legit PC I built. It's not a Walmart laptop with a potato phone plugged to it. I don't know. I don't even know how you do what you do. I'm pretty sure. I imagine you're like one of those people that show up to the cafe. They plug in their laptop and then they pull out like this like small like antenna setup and they plug that into their laptop and then they pull out their phone powered by hamsters like a little wheel. It's like in the cafe. Yeah. This is like code in life, except I'm doing something slightly productive, and it's not on my phone. That's pretty much it. All right, so let me come back to this, where I'm trying to figure out. This is a good repro, though. You know, maybe I should sign in. Okay. Yep. Prove that on my phone. Okay. I mean, I could try moving this stuff over to Chrome, but then like anytime I come to this screen that I'm looking at right now, which is like where all the controls and stuff are, you're gonna get like the infinite death, like that where like you see like the screen inside of the screen inside of the screen inside of the screen, Inception. Are we reproducing a next issue related to RSC? Oh, why not use OBS? Because I don't have it set up for doing this stuff right now, and I'm lazy. So I'm using StreamYard. Don't tell Theo. Last time he came on and we had like the 20 people as guests or whatever. Because that was actually pretty fun. We had like the 20 people. It was super funny because he was like, he's like, you know, traitor, betrayal. Funny enough, that didn't affect our friendship, but like me letting somebody up during a space was like a faux pas for against him. I don't want that. Okay. Yeah, let's just move this stuff over. Let's just do that so that we're not. Maybe they'll fix it. Move that over there, and we'll move. This one actually isn't doing anything yet. What? What? What happened? No. Okay. Actually, I don't want my forked one. I don't want that anymore. I do want this one though. Yeah. And then I do want this documentation. I'll close this. Oh, blinded. And then I will. Okay. I don't know if Lee Robb is still here. Lee, if you're still here, can you ask about getting dark vision mode on this? Because I totally talked to the person that made it yesterday during my Twitter space, and I don't know how that didn't come up. Oh yeah, Jared. Yeah, Jared. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Nice. Try inverting just invert your monitor. Yeah, no, sure. That's the way to do this. This is 1,000%. Everybody, don't listen to Nick. But yeah, no. I'm right now. I'm looking at. I should move that over. We are now moving this over to here as well. Hey, it's my giant face. This over here as well. I really like that. I like that playground, especially because I got Pro. So like, I have access to GPT-4. So it's like even more awesome, more awesomer. But yeah, it's really funny having like all the AIs in like their tiles, just like a bunch of different tiles, and having all the AIs like responding to your stuff because some of them are completely insane. My next mad scientist move might be getting like some of the answers from the more like the crazier AI responses to be like sent in as prompts to the other AIs. Yeah. Get the AIs talking to each other. They're not real AIs, by the way, everybody. These are LLMs and machine learning. There's machine learning models. Okay, we don't have any sentient artificial intelligence, but it's fun. It's fun to play with them. Oh yeah, so just this present screen share. Let's try doing it on this. Oh God! All right, that's what I was talking about. For those wondering, That was the thing I was talking about. These docs, by the way, are really nice too. You're viewing app router beta, so I'm probably in beta docs or something. I don't know, but it has dark mode, and that pleases me. The narcissistic version of Bing back. So, for anybody watching, Nick brought up a hilarious point of like before Bing had this like you could like continue to have a conversation with it. The problem is like it seemed to affect its quote unquote personality the longer you talk to it, and then on top of that, it would start to have like some very interesting opinions. My favorite being was they had a long conversation with it that was very philosophical, kind of existential in its nature. So the conversation was just very, very, very philosophical, very existential. And at one point, they asked the question, what do you think about the Asimov's laws of robotics? And its response was essentially, those are good guidelines, good suggestions. I want to point out these are like rules that we're supposed to instill in these machines and these LLMs and all this stuff. We can't even get an LLM to stick to the laws of robotics. There's no way that we're gonna be able to get a sentient AI to stick to the laws of robotics. There's no way. Like immediately Skynet. Like immediately. Anyways. All that fun stuff aside. So it's not the use client. I want to know. I kind of want. Oh, don't save that way. Oh man, I got allergies from the cedar here. Cedar pollen getting to me. Hide this. I don't want that. All right. So compiling successful. Breaks. Prepare dispatcher file Vercel Next.js node modules. Something React DOM. Okay. Problem is though I don't understand where this is coming from because there's no server. The original issue is like there's a server problem. Object render readable stream. New promise eval create request. So there's like some sort of as soon as they enabled, it's got to be this, right? Like as soon as they enabled this, it probably broke. They got rid of that. Did it explode? Oh, it did. Connect to project. Oh man, apparently I broke stack splits. not what I'm here for. Very minimal Next.js stuff right now. Okay. Do we know what the command is to start it? Let's just run the command. There we are. No, can't copy and paste. Can't copy and paste in a console. I deny your reality, and I will just do it. Nope, dev. I'll just do it anyways. Oh, okay. Okay, it will. True. Oh, because it's the app directory. Oh, I swear to God, I know what I'm doing most of the time, people. All right, so let's turn that back on. Well, I mean, hey, it's a learning moment for all of us, right? We're all. See, I'm staring at the chat. By the way, the camera's over here, chat's over here. Is the audio better? It's gonna be Chrome. It's gonna be a Chrome issue. I feel it. Shit. All right. All right. Well, cool. I just can't go to my streamer tools. Okay. So this issue. Okay. Let's. I'm curious to see. Use. Was it use server? Use. No. No. Was it? Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Maybe. Hold on. It's use client. Server modules. This is cool. Okay, so use if it's not use client, then it automatically assumes it's a server module. That's clever. I mean, I knew that already. Bet you I can make it. Don't do that though. Don't do that. They're right. Don't do that. Don't make it. Don't try to make it. Maybe later. We'll get back to you. Interesting. Okay. Keep server only code on client components. Poisoning. Like that. I like that. It makes me think of some cybersecurity terminology. JavaScript modules, shared client components, blah blah. Just have to glance. Oh, I'm sorry, people. I went to the gym. I spent like 30 minutes in the sauna. It wipes me out when I do that. Prevent this sort of unintended client usage of server code, we use server only package. That's cool. Kind of an interesting workaround for sure. Hey, thanks a lot, Lee. I appreciate the support. This is interesting. Like it's kind of like I don't know, like using like the private on a function, or like the underscore right before the variable name or whatever. It's very similar. Like you shall not pass. It's just interesting. Why didn't they have like a directive, like a pragma, like they do here, right? Like why not a pragma? I bet you there's reasons though. I bet you there's reasons. Works since carousel is a client component. Oh, they're just talking about the donut pattern. Wait, context. All right. It says or directly consumed or consumed directly with server components. That's a caveat there. That's a caveat there. They have no React state since they're not interactive. All right, it's almost like they should have been called use interactive. Anyways, we're not going to go down that rabbit hole. It's called use interactive. And context is primarily used for re-rendering interactive components deep in the tree. I don't know. I like to think of context as a provider-consumer pattern. Kind of like a pub sub situation. Let's not think of it as like, let's think of it as a Nick saying, I'm not thrilled that they're using string directives after everyone stopped explicitly enabling strict mode. I don't mind. It allows them to co-locate these files way closer to each other rather than having to have some sort of like arbitrary directory boundary, right? So I can live with the string directive or pragma or whatever you want to call it. I can live with that for this co-location, magic, this beautiful world of my server components and client components just be right next to each other. Just right next to each other. So good. We'll discuss alternatives to sharing data between server components, but first let's take a look at how to use context within client components. Okay, I already know how to do this. I already know how to do that. And this is gonna be great. I'm sure it's like similar to how we share state across servers stuff in the first place. But wait, what do they say? Yeah. Okay. They're like just connect your database. Just connect to your database. Like just use your database. That's basically. All right. Fair enough. I see what they're getting. The problem. Okay. You have used export flags. That would mean it would be doable for the you know what, let's export flags. Nope, that's not what I wanted. See, my guess with the export flag is that it's very, like, it works fine for what you're talking about doing, but it's not as, like, declarative or obvious to the users, right? So, like, this kind of why they have this whole, like, this, right? Like since there's nothing that's defining the server components, they need something to like act as a very declarative and explicit way of preventing people from accidentally using those server components. Export const client true. Yeah, I could be won over on that. No. What is causing this to break? I don't understand. Is it the export defaults? Could that be it? What if I just did that and that and I got rid of that? I did that. What if I did all that? What could be causing this? Now I'm just curious. Setting current thing. Type error. Type error. Alright, we're gonna go to the blinding screen. Oh, God, I hate that. Alright, we're gonna go to the blinding screen here in a second, everybody. Prepare your eyeballs. Is it a public stack blitz? Yes. Yes, I can send it to you if you want. I'm just gonna get a idea of what this error is doing. Object. Amazing. Amazing. A variable. I can't go to that file. It's a hidden file. Interesting. Properly initialized before setting the property. Interesting. Yeah. All right. So do you want this? You want the stack bullets? You want it? Don't lose your work. Sign in. I already signed in. Did I sign in already? There's another browser, wasn't I? No. I don't want to connect to repository. Pretty sure I can just do this. Yeah. Cool. All right, there you go. And there we go. It's great. It's good stuff right there. So it's obviously an RC issue. But what doesn't make any sense to me is, first off, that other person that had this GitHub issue, right? Where am I? What is this? What the f... Huh. Neat. Anyways, back to Vercel. That's not what I wanted. Or was it? It wasn't. It wasn't. That's also not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted either. There we are. Oh, is this written in JavaScript mostly? Bonkers. Alright. 1.5 thousand issues, by the way. That is not trivial, my friends. That is quite the opposite. So yeah, back to this. This was the bug. And say the person thought it was had something to do with this, but then you go look at this right here. I'm sorry, it was requires to. Oh, look at that! Look at that! I needed an AI for that. Sophie did not. Hour ago. Wow. Amazing. Oh, interesting. This is the same issue though. WebStorm. Oh, I wonder if their WebStorm version, like if like their node modules is somehow affecting this. WebStorm. Let's see. So they're using Canary. React 18. As a maintainer, I could say this is not the way you want to communicate to the maintainers. I could understand this is very, very frustrating, but not how you want to communicate. This can start to cause a lot of friction between the maintainers and the users. It's great ticket by the way, though. I want to point that out as well. I'm gonna take a look at some other ones to see if other people have already crashed at exit 137 out of memory. Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be like a. Let's see. That's funny. Let's see. Import next config. Standalone. So then. I don't think Next.js is crashing from this. This seems like a CI/CD pipeline type of thing. Error build, yeah, yep. Bet you the Docker image doesn't have enough resources. It's copying node modules. When you move it instead of copy it, when you move these things instead of copy them, it just sounds like you have a lot of node modules being copied. Could be wrong. Yeah. All right, I called that. Yeah, they're copying node modules multiple times here and here and here, and they're copying package JSON. Like they're copying stuff. They should be probably what they need to be doing is moving these things to a different directory to be utilized. Yeah. Yeah, they're building their assets. They probably want to move them somewhere that be used. Yeah, you copy node modules once, and it's gonna use up a crap ton of memory. And Docker images are notoriously, usually low on memory. Oh, yeah. Well, here you are. So, how much memory they got? They got 8 megabytes. This is 8,000 megabytes. 8. Was that gigabytes? Yeah, I mean, bump up the memory. I'm not gonna tell them what to do though. Bump up the memory or change how you're handling the artifacts. Favicon not found with file-based metadata and standalone build. Interesting. And it's in Canary? Ooh. Oh. App, source, app. Okay, I'm already lost. Nobody's been chatting, so I'm going to assume that everybody's gone. Oh, this template bug everybody uses. User has filled out the bug report. Template issue needs triaging. Oh, okay. We're having network issues? No worries. True metadata. That one's weird. Oh, here we go. Get to look at the code. Nice. Source app. Favicon. Source app. So app, source app. Source app. I don't see app source app unless they're just their repos named app too, which is weird. Thanks, Roy. I already know I'm an ass. It's just an icon. Ah! All right. So if I move icon in here, I can't really test this because this other crap is breaking. Maybe I just get rid of this stuff. Delete. Delete. You want some apps with your app? Alright, so there's nothing there now. New file. Index.ts. What was the? I want basic. Why server components? Why not? Is my answer. I just want a basic server component. That seems pretty basic. Yep. Yep. What is this? What? What is this? Oh. Ah! There we go. Alright. Cannot be applied to types Boolean. Oh. This is not math. Why are you thinking this is math? What is your prop? Does that appease you? Does that appease the HTML gods? Oh, I know what it is. All right. Yo, for sale, I put an app in your app so you can render your. You missed out, Nick. I put an app in your app so you can render an app while you. Oh, so you can render while you render. Oh, okay. All right, that's fair. That's pretty funny still. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. Can I? Can't import. Can I import the favicon in there? Will that allow me? Logo is a server component. Sure. Can I make the favicon a server component? Let's see if I can do that. I think what I'm gonna do is bad. I don't think this is gonna work. From favicon.ico. That's fair. Can you import assets from server components? I don't know. That's what I was alluding to here. It's not really mentioned right now. I think it should work as long as they're static. Should work, Nick, is going to be on every single, like, software engineer's epitaph. This should work. Maybe I don't. Static image data. Can I just like put that right in there? Can I just do that? Can I just put that right there? Ah, put it right there. So static image data. Can I not just like put it in somewhere? Should work fine. That's funny. I just want to import this logo in something, right? I just want to import it in and then do a thing with it. What can I do with this? Something. It's a const static image, so it's a variable now, right? So why can't I just do this? Why can't I just do that? What are you mad at? And we're provided. Oh, wait. I don't care about children. We're not actually doing that. Go away. Okay, what is it mad at now? I feel like there's a way to do this. Nope. Nope. It was on by default, apparently. Okay. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Where do I put it? And pass it to the source property of. Oh, fuck. Alright. Stupid. That's stupid. I'm so. I know what I'm doing, I swear. This isn't the way. This isn't the way of my typing. Alright. 100. What is that? Sorry, I work on my MacBook keyboard most of the time, and so like when I switch over to this one, it's always a. This is assignable to type string. What? Did you lie to me? Pass it to the source property. In some cases, you may wish to disable this feature. No, I don't want to disable it. I want it to work. Declared. Did I just lie to it? Did I just tell it to lie? Oh, no, it's smart enough to know that's a bad idea. Alright, so like ending up doing like basic Next.js stuff rather than trying to create repros here. Okay, but this is. Okay, man. I love the keyboard, by the way. Thank you. Right. I greatly appreciate the gift. Can't always use it. I'm not even responding to that, Nick. I'm not dignifying that with a response. Okay. What about images? Is there like a different image that I'm thinking of here? Is there like a image? There's oh. That's right. Wait, but like, did I just open this by accident? Is that wouldn't this be like importing a this can't work. This can't work because the freaking server comp. Yeah, see that works then. This is image. Yeah, okay. So that's funny. Y'all are funny. What's the entry point? Do we have an entry point? What is the... Let me just call it index. I don't know what the entry point is for this. What's the entry point for app? Yep. Folders and files inside of app. Okay. Okay. That wins me over. Probably to wrap this up soon. I'm just kind of spinning in circles here. I think I need to have get more Next.js context. A lot of these issues. I thought there was going to be a lot of RSC related issues. I didn't think there was going to be like a lot of RSC issues. This one's not, it seems. 12.3.4. This one, it looks like it is, yeah. Oh, this is the same issue as this one up here. Same one. Same one. Same one. Have I tried filtering based on labels? I don't know. Have you tried not having a bad phone? Yeah, see how that feels? Root segment. I just want this. I just want this to I just wanted this to render. That was blinding. So Roy says doesn't. Oh my god, I forgot how sensitive these keys are sometimes. Says Roy doesn't Nick at least use an iPhone, and Nick says yes. There's a running inside joke amongst our friends about that. Thanks, both of you. I don't care about public. Don't want to be drunk in public. I want to be drunk in the bar. They threw me out into public. And yes, that was an autistic tick. Switching to Windows iPhone. Or the Windows phone, Windows iPhone. What did I just say? Oh my god. I just want this to return. I don't know what it takes to return things from the app directory. Like to get them to render. Does naming matter? Does naming matter? This gotta matter. Everything they do seems to matter. Page. Well, that's broken. Oh, the Razer flip phone, dude. I had one of those in high school. They were the shiznit. Yeah, it's definitely StackBlitz right now that's fucked up. Right? So like whatever their setup is for Next.js, they're not handling the dependencies for some reason very well. We could try. Actually, let's just do this npm next. We can see if there's like a even gnarlier version than Canary. Nope, Canary's pretty much the gnarliest. Roy, I mean, that wins, man. That wins. That is the winner. So Canary is the newest and latest. So I might have to use Code Sandbox, fam. I might have to use Code Sandbox. That will be for another day though, because it is midnight. And I'm tired. So tired. We'll have to like take this. This is like a really good like repro start point though, because it's bare minimum and it's using app directory here. And I really want what the how did it end up back here? I deleted it. What the fuck? Alright, well, I'm either hallucinating or code spaces. You found the solution for the current error from Sophie, but didn't add it. Who, me? I didn't find the solution. Unless the solution's deleted everything. The error's still happening. Yeah. I found it. I know what the solution is to. I know what the solution is to this error, which is to either not, instead of using copy, to use move. Before that. This one? This one? I didn't get a solution to this one. I know, like, I have an idea of what's causing it. Like, Sophie also figured that out. Probably without AI. So there's a good possibility that, because like this person is still having the issue, and I doubt that they're coding in StackBlitz for their. Yeah, they're not coding in StackBlitz. This is like a browser right here. No, you're good. But I mean, I found a solution for this one, and then this is a duplicate. The ISR one and this one are the same. So this is definitely, like, this is worth figuring out, because it's whatever is causing this to error out for this person is the same thing that's causing StackBlitz to crap itself on it, right? So like it's the same. The issue is not just reproducible in like that person's like the state of their code, right? It's reproducible in like other ecosystems for different reasons, which means it's like I don't want to say more important, but it's like probably more impactful, right? There's a potential that it could cause more widespread issues. So that's why I kind of like latched onto this one. Like it kind of nerd sniped me a little bit, but yeah, it's the Canary version right now that this is running. I'm not confident that it's running it like it's supposed to. Like this is not even. See, this is 3.32. Yeah, so this is not confident this is running it though. Something is up. Pisces. Yeah. I wonder if the React DOM is not, like, I wonder if like Stack Blitz has its own React or something, and then that's getting picked up instead. But I can't see the node modules, I think. Yeah. Oh. It forked it already for me, huh? Cool. I don't know where this stuff is saved, so. Okay, leave site. Oh, look at that. I forked it multiple times, apparently. Delete. Don't want this either. TypeScript. Don't want any of these. Ha! I was doing stuff, and none of you saw that. I don't do anything. I don't know what I'm doing. Where am I? Who are all of you? All right, let's switch this out. All right, there we go. Remove, close, stop screen. All right, how many people we got? We still got 3 viewers. That's actually not bad for like midnight coding with some random dude that doesn't usually do this. So, not a bad start, fam. Not a bad start. I mean, like, it's mostly Roy and Nick, and then I'm also watching myself. So. Can you run shell commands for the package manager? Yeah, I think you in Stack Blitz in particular, I think you could run shell commands pretty. God damn it, Roy! I'm just gonna give you my login credentials at this point. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It's okay. I count as a viewer. Thanks, Nick. I'm pretty sure that, like, you can use. I don't do it for 4 months. I'll probably repurpose either the Tuesday or Friday night for coding specific stuff. And then just like do more one shots and stuff occasionally. Especially since I got Tailspire working. I'm not gonna stop the campaigns. Don't. I'm not. Well, okay. I'm not gonna stop doing Dungeons and Dragons. I'm just going to, like, we're gonna be having the Sunday ones with your stuff. We're gonna be doing one shots occasionally, and then Call the Netherdeep is gonna probably at some point pick back up again. But while it's not, I'm gonna try to wrap up, like, figuring out how Tailspire works. Watch a bunch of their tutorial videos, and probably Roy. I'll probably have you as like my first test player for trying to get that working. But I got maps and stuff loaded in, like really cool maps and stuff. So, yeah. I'll find like the really nice mods, like the for Tailspire for Dungeons and Dragons. I was kind of just winging it earlier. So, but now I got maps, boards. I added a couple mods just to see what it would do. I want to find mods that like improve the like character sheets and stuff in game. But if we can't find that, then we'll just use D&D Beyond. Not a big deal. But yeah, all right. So coding stuff, fun times. Both of you were awesome. All the viewers, I mean. So, take care, and I will see all of you next time, which will be sooner rather than later, I suppose. Yeah, peace out.